Hey guys, gagawa tayo ng banana bread. Kung may overripe kayo ng banana, pwede kayong gagamit. I-frozen nyo, tapos gawin yung banana bread. Tignan yung banana bread ko guys, oh. Banana, oh, yung na-overcook, tapos sinalagay ko sa freezer. Ganito na yun nung defrost ko, parang luto na. Pero hindi naluto to guys, ah. It's not cooked. Tapos, gagawa tayo ng banana bread. 3 banana. Tanggalin natin yung balat. And then, lalagyan natin ng brown sugar. Pero ismas na natin muna. Now, brown sugar. Here's the brown sugar here. Brown sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. One-third cup of brown sugar, and mix it. And then 1/2 cup of white sugar. 1/2 cup. One-half cup of white sugar. And then 1 cup of butter. Melted butter na to guys, na-melt na to. Nilagay ko sa microwave. Yan, 1/2 cup of butter. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin dito yung corn. Mix and mix. Teaspoon of vanilla. Teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, it's too much. Not that much. Hindi ako gumamit ng measuring cup ng teaspoon. And then one-half cup of 2 eggs pala. 2 eggs. Small eggs. 2 eggs. Ayan. Tapos, 1 cup of flour. One cup of flour. One cup of flour. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, guys. Baking soda. Teaspoon of baking soda. And then mix it. We're using a whisk. And then we're using a whisk. You know, whisk. So guys, before we forget, we're gonna preheat our oven, you know. Before we forget, we preheat our oven for 350 guys, and then 20 minutes. So guys, linagyan ko ng, brinas ko ng, ng mantika. Tapos, ilagay na natin sa tray. Ilagay na natin sa tray. Okay, so, tapos, i-bake na natin. here you go. Banana bread. And we bake natin, guys. Tignan natin anong result the first time that recipe. Banana bread. Banana bread. I-bake na natin. Nasaan na ba yun? Tray. Tapos. Ayan guys, luto na guys. Tignan nyo naman. Banana bread. Lagyan ko ng cinnamon powder sa top niya guys. Kasi nakalimutan ko lagyan ng cinnamon. Perfect. This is a banana bread. I will chop it. Oh, slice it. Not chop. Slice it. Okay, so, what's it?
I'm the camera boy.
Yeah, you're the camera boy. Oh, it's like a floppy. How is it?
Yummy.
When I cut it? Cut it in a knife? No?
No.
Is it sweet or no?
Oh, good.
What is the
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10? Not 10, 10?
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I never had like this first time in my life. No, it's not first time. I always make Nana's bread before. Nana's friend, he was sick. He wants me to make a bread for her. She love banana bread. It's good, eh? I like it. Like a banana. This is a banana bread.